In this weather, I'm making with you chicken and potato with garlic and lemon. It's called in Lebanon يخنة الدجاج والبطاطا مع توم وحامض. I consider this dish as a comfort food, especially in winter. It's very easy to make and very delicious. Start by adding half a kilogram of chicken breast in boiling water. Remove the foam from the top and then add the seasonings that you want to the boiled chicken. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, and when it starts to boil, reduce the heat, cover it and let it cook until it's fully cooked. Remember, if you want it soft and tender from the inside, don't boil it on high heat. Meanwhile, I will cut 2 potatoes into medium-sized cubes. This size is very suitable for this dish. Add some salt as desired, and now I will fry the potatoes. You can fry it the way that you want. Remove it when it takes this golden color and put it aside. Now the chicken is ready and fully cooked. Start by pulling it like this. It's tender from the inside and it's fully cooked at the same time. The chicken is ready, put it aside, and now I will make the rice. I'm making rice and vermicelli. You can make white rice if you want. In this way, I'm saving time by cooking both the rice and the chicken at the same time. When it starts to boil, lower the heat until it absorbs the water. In a second pot, add the potatoes and chicken and mix it together. Add the chicken broth that we made earlier. And if you want more liquid, you can add water if you run out of chicken broth. Put it on high heat so it boils faster. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of paprika. Add some salt as desired, some olive oil, and 5 crushed garlic cloves. Mix it all together. The rice is ready to be served. Cover it and we will serve it with the chicken. In order to make it thicker, when it boils, I will add 1 tablespoon of flour with water, some chopped coriander and the lemon juice. When it's all mixed together, you can serve it right away. The smell at this stage is amazing. I really like this dish. It's very heartwarming and very delicious. I'm waiting for you to try it and let me know your opinion. Of course, everyone will ask you for the recipe. You can serve it like this as a soup for dinner, or you can serve it with rice and vermicelli like this. I recommend for you to try it like this. It's very delicious and you will repeat it again and again. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.